got a pumpkin seed. Well, Duffrene's park was not good. It was like too small, but now the Ludlow, we're at Ludlow. I'm not sure, like, that's the area. Alright, this is pumpkin seed. You see it's got white blue, like, it's got the tracks, like the white brown around it. That's a pumpkin seed. And the eyes are kind of like that color. Alright. At least I caught one. That was good timing too.
Yeah, 'cause it's getting late.
Well, it's actually like 1:02.
Yeah, I know, but I still got things I gotta do tonight.
I just saw Canadian geese. I just got on video too. Also, we saw a bunch of Duffrene's park too. A dead crab. It's got a little bluish on it too. I didn't even know there's crabs in this freshwater area. A dead one. That's a dead freshwater crab. That's a crab. Yeah. It's dead. Well, this one got too old and died.
I don't know, because there's two of them right here.
You see, this one's dead at least.
Yes, it was on the bottom.
It's got a hard shell.
Yep.
That one right there might have been younger.
Yeah, a little bit smaller.
That's the first time I saw a crab in freshwater. Didn't even know there was here. So that one is a freshwater crab. And guess what? That's a new species I got on video.
Yeah.
Because I haven't gotten like on YouTube in my fishing series, and this is so now this time I got a new species. This is like, not sure what freshwater crab it is. It actually looks different. That's kind of way different than Salisbury Beach, because these are freshwater.
They're not biting very good, are they?
Well, it might be because the weather's cold, the climate's changing. The climate is kind of be changing now. Well, got a new species. This was a crab. I've never shown crab. I did not even know there was crabs in here. That might be way further out. I didn't know there was freshwater crabs. I just got a new species. That's 2 minutes 18 seconds, but I got a new species. In my fishing series, I got a new species. This species is dead. This crab is dead. Now that was the new species. There was two right there. I'm gonna bite now. I got, and it's now before he gets it.